with a fiercely entertaining program. The cherished tradition, Waterfront has always delighted its guests with its annual Fire in the Sky celebration. This evening, you will witness exhilarating lion and dragon dances, as well as a wushu exhibition and other Chinese cultural performances. At this point, we would like to call on our guests of honor for the ceremonial docking of the Lion's Eyes. Mr. Wilson Na, who is of course the President of Mangkai Development Corporation and is as well a very active speaker and writer. We would also like to call on Ms. Maggie Wong, the lovely General Manager of Cathay Pacific. Friends, please welcome Mr. Jonathan Desalem, a businessman and entrepreneur handling various businesses, which of course includes Dragon Fireworks, who will be giving us a spectacular fireworks display later on tonight at 8:30. And last but not the least, let us all welcome the darling and dynamic General Manager of Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, Mr. Alfred Portenschlager. And now we officially begin the ceremonial docking of the Lion's Eyes.
Look, what's the lion doing?
As Chinese tradition would have it, the docking of the Lion's Eyes refers to the Chinese ritual or ceremony of painting on the eyes of the Chinese lions before the start of a lion dance to awaken the spirits of the lions. Koiko, as it is called, is a ceremony to bless and awaken a new lion, or in a more traditional concept, bring down the spirit lion from heaven and give it life. This ceremony signifies the existence